What is going on, guys? So I got a nice little review for you today for a flying fidget spinner. These are by Bonnie Toys. Thanks for them for sending me a bunch of them. I'm going to have a giveaway too at the end of the video, and this might be you. So I'm going to show you guys like how these actually work, and then we're going to take this downstairs in the living room and have some real fun. Let me go ahead and just turn one of these on really fast. Let me just give you like a quick demonstration here. Oh! Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh, shoot! Oh! Well, it's definitely a lot. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Anyways, it's a lot easier to do when you're actually standing up, and you do have to be somewhat coordinated, but it does take a little bit of practice. Anyways, let me show you like how this works first, and then we'll go ahead and take it downstairs. And then after that, then we'll do the giveaway. All right, so here is the flying fidget spinner. And of course, for the giveaway, guys, for you lucky person out there, you're getting one of these. And of course, I'm going to throw in a whole bunch of other stuff in the box for you as well. Anyways, let me do this. Let me go ahead and just do an unboxing here. Let me show you exactly what this comes with here. All right, so here's the box that it looks like here. And let me go ahead and pop this baby open. And let me move these out of the way here. So here we go. So what it looks like here. Just like a regular spinner here, except it has the propellers at the blades here, so it can like levitate. And of course it comes with the instructions here, and it does come with a micro USB charging cord. And if you look on here, this is where you charge it. Now the battery juice in here will last about 4 minutes continuously. But every time you fly it, you only get 15 minutes, and then you have to get it started again. And I'll show you that in 1 second. Actually, let me just go ahead and show you now. I'm going to go ahead and here's the on-off switch right here. So let me go ahead and just pop this on here. Okay, so it is powered up right out of the box here. So in order to get this actually spinning, because it's on right now, you have to give it a little bit of a clockwise spin. So if I grab it like this and I just spin it a little bit like this, there we go. And then, of course, you have to make sure the arrow is going downwards, not like upwards. When I was first doing this, I was doing it backwards and it was just flying straight down. So you have to like, woohoo! Now also, so every time you get it started, it'll fly for 15 seconds and then the motor will cut off. And then you have to basically give it a spin again like that and wait for it to activate. Whoa! Okay, this is just too difficult to do it in this like little tiny spot that I'm in. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy downstairs. Oh, shoot! Okay, so I'm going to turn this on first, and then remember, to get it like started now, I have to spin it clockwise. So give it a little spin like this, and then you can see kind of like how that works. Give you a little. So basically, like I said, once you get it spinning, it'll continue to spin for like 15 seconds, then it'll stop. And then you just have to go ahead and get that bad boy started again. Give it a little twist like that, and oh shoot! Ah. You have to give it kind of a tilt to let it come back to you, right? Oh! Okay, again. Oh, shit. I messed up. It's harder than it looks. It definitely takes some practice, all right? Hey, one thing I forgot to mention, there's two like little buttons here. One's to give it more thrust, the other one is not so much thrust, okay? Anyways, I just put it on one of them. And anyways, let's go ahead and get this bad boy started again. I'm gonna try to go straight up now, okay? Oh! Messed up. Oh, shoot! Oh. All right, again. Oh! It's okay, I'm over here. Oh yeah? You want some of this? Well, take this. Oops, take this. Woohoo! Oh, oh! Anyways, you guys got the idea. These are super, super fun. And right now, oh, let's go ahead and do the run to the giveaway. Oh, shoot! Yeah! Woo! Oh! And push up! Oh, shoot! Yeah! Woo! All right, anyways, let's go ahead and get on to the giveaway, okay? First of all, this is going out to my special subscriber. You've been with me for like 2 years, relentlessly. And first, let me go ahead and mention his name, and his name is Jerry. My man, that's right, I got you, buddy. I see you commenting all the time. All right, so what do you got here? Okay, obviously, the first thing you're going to get is one of these flying fidget spinners. I think I'm just going to give you the, I'll give you the silver one here. I'm going to save the rest for other giveaways. But first thing you're getting is this bad boy right here. What else are you getting? I'm going to get you a prank, like a giant ant. You can like prank people. The last giveaway I did was a cockroach, but this one here is an ant. Comes with a remote and stuff like that. Scare people. Do whatever you want. Let's see here. Oh, spinners. Here's a Bluetooth spinner. Here's a premium star spinner. Right here. Let's see here. What else? Oh yeah. Here's a iPhone 7 case. This is a bulletproof case. Not sure what kind of phone you have, but anything you get out of here, do what you want with them. You can give them away or you can sell these. I don't even care, okay? Anyways, there's an iPhone 7 case. Here's another, some kind of phone case. I don't even know. It's not even open. Doesn't even say what's on there, but you're getting that anyway. And let's see what else is there. Oh yeah, you're getting one of these fidget spinners. This one here. Oh yeah. Oh, this bad boy right here. Oh, okay. You remember I did the review on the by WeFidget, their best spinner they have is called the Revo Q, and I have it right here, and it spins like 6 minutes or over 6 minutes, and it's a fidget thingy on here as well. Remember I did that review. These are not cheap either. You get one right here, not even opened. You're also getting a Captain America shield spinner. That's right. What else are you going to be getting? Yeah, here's a bunch of extra other spinners I have that's like laying around. I still got like tons of these. These are just typical spinners, but I need to get rid of these. So I'm going to throw this in a box for you as well. And oh yeah, I'm going to get you a wallet here. This is a genuine leather, one of those slim wallets. I actually use the same one. I have a red one here though. You can see this bad boy. These are like slim. So these are also good if you ever wear a blazer or suit and you want to keep it in there instead of have a big bulky wallet in the back of your buttocks. Anyways, I got the red one, but you get the brown one. Let's see here, what else are you getting here? Okay, you're also getting a flight flap here. These are pretty cool. If you ever go on the airplane and you want to watch videos or whatever on your phone, you can basically put this like on the front seat, like do something like this, and then you can put your phone in there. Also, what you can do is you can go ahead and like put it on like your little tray on the airplane, or put this on your desk and you can put the phone on here as well. It's pretty cool, very like versatile, but these are definitely like very, very handy. Let's see what else here. Oh yeah, I threw in some, I'm sure you know what fidget cubes are. They're like these bad boys. I got a tons of these. I'm just gonna give you like 3 of these. Again, if you don't need them, give them out to your friends, sell them, I don't care what you do. Here's a laptop cooler fan, in case your laptop's getting hot. If you don't need it, give it away, sell it, I don't care. Let's see here. Oh yeah, you're also getting a iSpin spinner. This is the big ones. All the arms come off as well. You can make it a dual spinner, a tri spinner, anything you want. I also gave you a first generation spinner as well. This is a little bit smaller one here, but the arms come off these as well. You can interchange these too if you want to make like a Frankenstein spinner. You're also getting a 3-gear spinner. Check this one out. Here's another Bluetooth spinner for you. Here's a tri-spinner. It's a neochrome metal spinner. Oh, here's a skull spinner for you too. Neochrome as well. And I got something here. I don't know what this one is. Oh shoot! You're getting the little Chubster spinner. These have detachable arms as well. These ones, the bands here like glow in the dark. You can kind of see that. And I also got you a Fidget Pad, kind of like a Fidget Cube, but it's like shaped differently as you can see here. I also threw in, I got tons of like phone cases here. It's another iPhone 7. This is a genuine leather case. These are good cases. Sell them if you don't need them, I don't care. Oh, here's a O case here for a Samsung Galaxy S7. It's a, I think this is a wallet case. I can't open it because it's like still like closed. But anyways, you're getting this too. I also got you a 3D curved tempered glass for a iPhone 7. And also you're going to be getting this right here. It's a gaming mouse pad. It's actually, I have a bunch of these laying around, but it's actually like this one right here, huge gaming pad. So there you go. That's pretty much it for this video. Guys, you like this video, give me a like, share the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.